Hello Slaters! Today we are going to start with the first EVS lesson. Hope you all must have seen the introduction video of this chapter. The name of the first EVS lesson is In the Family. In this lesson, we will be learning about family, types of families, how everyone contributes within a family, how we share work, and how we have fun together. In this video, we will also read the chapter and discuss it too. Hope you all are ready with your EVS textbooks and pencils for this session. If you do not have your textbook, you can read along by looking at the screen and write down the information in any rough notebook. So let's begin. Slaters, please turn to page number 174 of your EVS textbook. Ready? Now place your fingers on the text as I read. Now let's look into the comic strip in your textbook. Now this is a conversation between a teacher and her students. The teacher is asking various questions to the students. So let's read. Pia, who cooks for you? My grandmother. Hari Kaka helps her. Asif, whom do you go to when you are hurt or sad? I run to my mother. She loves me and takes care of me. Uday, who helps you with your homework? Mummy. Daddy also helps me. Mummy, Daddy and I have tea together when they return from work. I help my grandfather to water the plants. I hug my mother when she comes back from her office. Your family loves you and takes care of you. So Slaters, does this conversation remind you of something? Yes, your own family. The entire Slate School family has seen how Slaters have contributed, helped, and loved their family during these holidays. We saw your pictures helping your parents in daily chores. Cooking, cleaning, watering the plants. You all aced it when it comes to be helpful to your own family. That is what family is all about. Caring, sharing, helping and loving. Now let's continue with the reading. Kinds of families. A family in which mother, father and children live together is called a nuclear family. In some families, parents, grandparents, uncle, aunts and children live together. Such a family is called a joint family. Now Slaters, underline the word nuclear family. N-U-C-L-E-A-R-F-A-M-I-L-Y. Nuclear family. The family in which mother, father and children live together is called a nuclear family. Also underline the word joint family. Joint family. Joint family. The family in which grandparents, uncles, and aunts live together is called a joint family. Did you write it? Nice. Now children, look at this picture on your screen. Can you tell me which type of family is this? Yes, this is a nuclear family, as it consists of father, mother and children. Now look at this picture on your screen. Tell me which type of family is this? Nice, this is a joint family. Why? It also has grandparents, uncles and aunts living along with father, mother and children. Well done, Slaters. Now let's continue with the reading. Archana and Aparna live with their mother. Their father doesn't live with them. Archana and Aparna visit their father often and spend time with them. Such a family is called a single parent family. Now Slaters, underline the word single parent family. SINGLE hyphen means a small dash, parent, PARENT, FAMILY, single parent family. A family where the children live with just one parent. Did you write it? Nice. Now Slaters, the word often means many times. So this means that Archana and Aparna's father visits them many times. Now Slaters, in several occasions there can be situations where people have to live with one of the parent. This can be due to various reasons like death of one parent, or maybe that one parent has a job in a different city. So in such cases, one parent takes care of the children. This type of family is called a single parent family. The word single means one, right? So that is why it is called a single parent family. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. Arbaz lost his parents in an accident. Mr. and Mrs. Verma adopted him. Now he lives with them. They love him. Arbaz loves his new family. Now slaters, underline the word adopted. A-D-O-P-T-E-D. Adopted. Adoption means to take care and bring up another's child as your own. So children, here Arbaz lost his parents, but he found the love and care in his adopted family. Slaters, in some unfortunate cases, children lose both their parents. This could be due to some illness or an accident. Now when there is no one in the family to take care of the children are sent to an orphanage. The officials at the orphanage take care of the children till they are adopted by caring families. Now just like humans, when animals lose their parents in maybe road accidents, they are taken to animal shelters. Here the officials of the animal shelters take care of them until a caring human family adopts them. Slaters, do you know anyone who has adopted an animal from an animal shelter? Great! It is a really nice thing to do. Now let's continue with the reading. Our uncles, aunts and their children are our relatives. The relatives on your father's side are our paternal relatives. The relatives on our mother's side are our maternal relatives. So children, your mother's mother is your maternal grandmother and your father's mother is your paternal grandmother. Now slaters, underline the word paternal. P-A-T-E-R-N-A-L. Paternal. The word means related. R-E-L-A-T-E-D to T-O father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Now underline the word maternal. M-A-T-E-R-N-A-L. Maternal. This word means related. R-E-L-A-T-E-D to mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Are you all done? Nice. Now children, I would like you all to work on a very interesting task. what I want you all to do is write down the names of your paternal and maternal grandparents. You can take help of your parents to work on this task. Okay, great. Now let's read further. Jim is very happy today. His Aunt Sophia is visiting them with her family. Aunt Sophia is Jim's father's sister. So children, can you guess whether Sophia is relative of Jim from her paternal or maternal side? Yes, Sophia is from the paternal side, as she is sister of Jim's father. Now let's continue reading. Uncle Kiran is her husband. They have a son, Roy. Jim loves his cousin, Roy. During the summer holidays, Jim and Roy play badminton every day. Jim also plays Scrabble with his uncle and aunt. Now Slaters, who is an uncle or aunt? Yes, your father or mother's brother is your uncle, whereas your father or mother's sister is your aunt, and their children are your cousins. So children, from the above reading, you must have understood that you, your cousins, uncles, aunts, and all these parents are related to each other. In our next session, we will learn about mapping these relatives in a family tree. It will be fun. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.